The Rhizome is composed of multiple controls. Below, we have a line of 16 touch-sensitive backlit pads. Then, we have here a line of 16 push encoders. This means you can turn the encoders to change the value, but also push in order to fire a function. Then, there's a line of 16 backlit buttons, and a second line of 16 push encoders. And finally, a transport bar to trigger the play, record, backward, forward, undo, and redo functions. On the left and on the right of the unit, you will find two columns of buttons, which are mainly used for the function call. You can also call functions directly, with a combination of the shift button plus a function written in blue. For example, I will make a shift load, which allows me to display the load project window. The first 6 black buttons to the left of the device are used to call up the different views: the mixer, the sequencer, the sampler, and also the performance mode and song mode with shift combination. All these views are of course connected. These 6 buttons are dedicated to open the different views. On the right, all the functions printed in black are used to select the lines. The Rhizome works as a matrix. You first select a line, then the encoder operates on the selection. For example, I want to change the transpose. I'm going to select line 5 and change the transpose for this track. This applies to all windows present in the Rhizome. If I go, for example, to the mixer, I can select the solo line, or the mute line, or leave the default selection line of my mix tracks. We also see a white frame highlighting the selected parts. So you find these lines on all windows. On the left side, you can find the fixed functions, Tools, Alt, and Windows. For example, the Windows key will allow you to change the tab Windows view inside a main window. And if I want to display the keyboard, I press and hold Windows and choose Keyboard. This is the same for the track parameters. I press and hold Windows, and I choose the tab that allows me to change my active window. Finally, the transport bar will let me play, stop, go backward, forward, or use the undo and redo features.